Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can use your Amex gift card on Amazon. Now, the way that Amex gift card works and with the word gift card being on it, you might think that you can add it by going to your account here and then just clicking on this. And then you need to go to a gift card section here, right? You might think this is where you redeem it, but this is not. This is exclusively only for Amazon gift cards. So don't be confused with this option here. But with the way Amex gift card work is that it's basically a one-use debit card, right? So the way we can use it is that we'll have to add it as a normal payment method, right? So as if we're adding a credit or a normal credit card payment methods. So from your Amazon setting here, again, you want to go to your accounts here. And then on account, you want to go to your payments. And on your payments, you want to go to add payment method here. On add payment method, you want to go to add credit or debit cards. Add a credit or debit card, and then you'll have to fill in your current details for your Amex card. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.